Surah Al-Mudaththir, the cloaked one. This surah is Meccan, containing 2 sections and 56 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
يا أيها المدثر
O cloaked one,
قم فأنذر
arise and warn,
وربك فكبر
and glorify the greatness of your Lord,
وثيابك فطهر
and keep your clothing pure,
والرجز فاهجر
and avoid the unclean,
ولا تمنن تستكثر
and do not do favors to attain more,
ولربك فاصبر
and remain patient for the sake of your Lord.
فإذا نقر في الناقور
So when the horn will be blown,
فذلك يومئذ يوم عسير
that day will be a severe day.
على الكافرين غير يسير
It will not be easy for the disbelievers.
ذرني ومن خلقت وحيدا
Leave to me the one I created alone,
وجعلت له مالا ممدودا
and we gave him vast wealth,
وبنين شهودا
and sons ever present,
ومهدت له تمهيدا
and I extended blessings abundantly for him.
ثم يطمع أن أزيد
Then he craves that I give more.
كلا إنه كان لآياتنا عنيدا
Never. Indeed, he is certainly opposed to our verses.
سأرهقه صعودا
Soon I will make him climb the mountain of fire, Sa'ud.
إنه فكر وقدر
Indeed, he thought and decided.
فقتل كيف قدر
So woe to him for how he decided.
ثم قتل كيف قدر
Then again, woe to him for how he decided.
ثم نظر
Then he looked up.
ثم عبس وبسر
Then he frowned and scowled.
ثم أدبر واستكبر
Then he turned his back and resorted to arrogance.
فقال إن هذا إلا سحر يؤثر
So he said, "This is but sorcery, transmitted from the past.
إن هذا إلا قول البشر
This is but the word of man.
سأصليه سقر
Soon I shall cast him into hell.
وما أدراك ما سقر
And what do you know of hell?
لا تبقي ولا تذر
It will not leave anything, and it will not spare anyone.
لواحة للبشر
A burner of human skin.
عليها 19
19, i.e. guardians, are appointed to it.
وما جعلنا أصحاب النار إلا ملائكة وما جعلنا عدتهم إلا فتنة للذين كفروا ليستيقن الذين أوتوا الكتاب ويزداد الذين آمنوا إيمانا ولا يرتاب الذين أوتوا الكتاب والمؤمنون وليقول الذين في قلوبهم مرض والكافرون ماذا أراد الله بهذا مثلا كذلك يضل الله من يشاء ويهدي من يشاء وما يعلم جنود ربك إلا هو وما هي إلا ذكرى للبشر.
And we did not make guardians of the fire except angels. We did not appoint their number except as a trial for those who disbelieve, so that those who were granted the book became certain. The believers increase in faith. The people of the book and the believers do not doubt. And those who have disease in their hearts and the disbelievers may say, what did Allah intend with this strange example? Thus Allah leaves to stray whomsoever He wills and guides whomsoever He wills. And no one knows the armies of your Lord except Him, and it is but counsel for man.
كلا والقمر
Pay heed by the moon
والليل إذ أدبر
and the night when it passes,
والصبح إذا أسفر
and the morning when it becomes bright.
إنها لإحدى الكبر.
Indeed it, i.e. hell, is one of the major things.
نذيرا للبشر.
A warner for man.
لمن شاء منكم أن يتقدم أو يتأخر.
For the one among you who desires to advance or stay behind.
كل نفس بما كسبت رهينة.
Every soul is a pledge for what it earned.
إلا أصحاب اليمين.
Except the people of the right.
في جنات يتساءلون.
In gardens, asking.
عن المجرمين.
The wrongdoers.
ما سلككم في سقر.
What brought you to hell?
قالوا لم نك من المصلين.
They will say, we were not among those who pray.
ولم نك نطعم المسكين.
And we did not feed the destitute.
وكنا نخوض مع الخائضين.
And we used to think of vulgarity with those with vulgar minds.
وكنا نكذب بيوم الدين.
And we used to deny the day of justice.
حتى أتانا اليقين.
Until death came to us.
فما تنفعهم شفاعة الشافعين.
So the intercession of intercessors will not avail them.
فما لهم عن التذكرة معرضين.
So what is the matter with them that they turn away from advice?
كأنهم حمر مستنفرة.
As if they are terrified donkeys,
فرت من قسورة.
fleeing from a lion.
بل يريد كل امرئ منهم أن يؤتى صحفا منشرة.
Rather, every man among them desires that he is given open scriptures.
كلا بل لا يخافون الآخرة.
Certainly not. Rather, they do not fear the hereafter.
كلا إنه تذكرة.
Pay heed. Indeed, it is advice.
فمن شاء ذكره.
So whosoever wishes may attain advice from it.
وما يذكرون إلا أن يشاء الله هو أهل التقوى وأهل المغفرة.
They cannot attain advice unless Allah wills. He is worthy of being feared, and He is the forgiver.